Today we will share the second part of HotForex's copy trading, and in today's video we will discuss the details and we will share how to do copy trading here. Here are some hidden tips and you can make a profit through copy trading. If you watch the video patiently till the end, I can say without any doubt that you will get good with trading copy. Today we will discuss how to do copy trading here, how to deposit for copy trading, and how to make profit from here. So stay tuned. I'm an official member of Forex BD. I hope you all are well. The advantage of copy trading in this broker. First of all, let's discuss what is the unique benefit of copy trading here. I have said in many videos before that different brokers offer different types of benefits. You can choose the one you like best. But first you need to know what benefits a broker is offering. If you do copy trading here, then you are getting some unique benefits which are not available in other brokers. For example, when you are doing copy trading, you can observe how the strategy provider is trading, which pair he is trading in. Keep in mind the skilled trader you will follow is called a strategy provider. So you can observe how he is trading and you can see his running trades, which cannot be done with other brokers. Just balance is seen in other brokers. Then you can save an amount you have invested. How? Well, let's say with an example. Suppose you have made a deposit of $1,000. Now you can't say anything in Forex. Sometimes there will be a lot of profit. Sometimes there will be loss. Suppose you deposit $1,000 and you save $800. If your strategy provider ever loses a large amount, you will not lose more than $200. $800 will remain in your account. If the provider loses thousands of dollars, your account will be safe. This feature is provided by HotForex broker. This is called Fund Rescue. After that, there is the facility to withdraw instant dollars from the copy account at any time. And many of you may know that this broker has a separate account for copy trading whose name is HF Copy. You can easily do copy trading through this account and take all kinds of benefits. Moreover, you can also select the percentage of risk you will take, which is called risk level, and you can unfollow any provider at any time. So there are a lot of unique features. We have highlighted the benefits. Now think about how useful these features are for you. So let's see how to do copy trading in this broker. For this you must have a verified account here. You must have an account under the link of Forex BD. We have given a video on how to verify the account. You can watch it. Of course, don't forget to use our link. If you use this link, you will get numerous benefits, such as you will get local deposit facility. You can verify your account instantly. Your account will be under low spread and your account will be 100% protected. So when you log into the account, you will see an option above. If you click here, you will see an option called Open Follower Account below. Click there. After clicking, a new page will appear. Here you can see the facilities of copy trading. That is, if you do copy trading here, you will get these benefits. So to open a copy account, click on the option called New Follower Account. Then a page like this will appear. Here you will be asked some questions. Then you will select the correct answer from it, like your net worth, what percentage of risk you want to take, what kind of trader you prefer, long-term or short-term, etc. These are the questions asked here. Fill these gently. If you have any problem, then watch this video and fill it. If necessary, watch the video in slow motion or watch it a few times. Then click on the Submit Answer below. These will be submitted, and then another new page will come. Click here to open the HF Copy account that has the option below. Here is the leverage and the broker ID. There is nothing to select in leverage because only 400 leverage is given here. Then you have to enter the introducing broker ID 352463. I say again, enter the ID here, 352463. Then click on the Open Account option with a tick mark below. Your account will be opened. And here your full account details will be given. By downloading the MD4 platform, you can observe it by logging in with the server name, ID and password just like we log in here. You will also be provided this login details via email. Then you can choose the expert trader of your choice by clicking on the Find Strategy to Follow option that you can see below. So we click there. It has a list of experts, that means strategy providers. From here you can see which is suitable for you. As you can see at first, the gain is written, which means what percentage of the trade he gains. Then there is the maximum drawdown and the number of followers. They have also the time he has been providing strategy. Here the one who has a higher gain rate has more followers because he has made more profit. So by looking at these things you can decide. An experienced trader has more followers, and who has the higher gain rate you can follow him. You can see the full history by clicking on the View Profile option under the name. You can see the details of how much profit he made every year and every month. Here is the percentage of the fee to be paid. That means you have to pay a 30% fee if you follow him. That means you have to give him 30% of your profit. Below you can see his performance in the form of a graph chart. Another thing you can see here is which pair he trades more, as this trader trades more in gold. Besides, how many trades he has opened, how many he has closed, how many have come for him and gone against him. Everything is given here, and by clicking there you will be able to follow the strategy provider of your choice. How to follow a good expert here and make a profit. The key to making a profit in copy trading is to follow an expert. Now it is not possible to know who is skilled and who is not skilled by looking at the appearance, but by looking at the profile and past story one can understand who is skilled or unskilled. One of the biggest issues is that since a strategy provider has been providing services here, you can see in detail how he is gaining in any month. You should definitely follow the one who makes regular profit. And more people follow those who are more efficient and have better gain rate. So you can understand in this way. So you will see the story first. It is seen in every broker. We are showing you from HotForex broker that you can come to this option and see all the stories. This will give you a direct idea of how profitable a trader is for months or days or weeks. After watching everything, you will follow. There is nothing false here. Because a strategy provider makes profit or loss, all the information is given here. Then you can understand with all the information in hand which trader is trading well or who can be followed. This way, if you find a strategy provider based on experience, gain rate and most followers, then hopefully you will get good service. I have already mentioned a lot of things like where a strategy provider has traded, pair, its gain rate, its drawdown, its investment are all given. Then I hope you can understand by looking at all this. A request to you, if you don't subscribe to Forex BD, subscribe now and click the bell icon for never miss an update. We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the Forex BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that Forex BD can meet your needs all the time.